Hey friends, it's Steve Miner with Noble Renovation. Today I've got some exciting news that we have a new website up and running, and we'd love for you to check it out. One of the primary reasons for rebuilding our site was we wanted to showcase our design services. This is where great remodeling starts, is in the planning phase. That makes perfect sense, right? But we have great tools to really show our client what things are going to look like before we actually start construction. So very powerful tools. And so we just wanted to, for one, showcase those services and our process. We have a very thorough, successful process. We have 12 featured projects that we would love for you to check out. So it really is a story, an overview of what the client was working with, what they wanted to do, what their objectives were, what the lifestyle desires were, and how we provided those solutions. And then we did the design. We show you some construction elements and key features and selections, and then the end result. 4 of the 12 actually have video testimonials, so you can hear it straight from the client. So we'd love for you to check that out. We also have frequently asked questions throughout the website. We have pricing guides, which are real important, and typical upgrades. So we have all of those things listed here, and a bunch of other things. And we'd love for you to just jump on the website and start clicking and surfing. And I'd love to hear some feedback and let us know what you think. Take care. Bye-bye.